In today's video, I want to talk about 3 ways you can detox that are inexpensive, convenient, and you can do them right at your own house. Let's talk about detoxing. This is a word that's thrown around all the time. Everyone always wants to know they should do a juice detox or a cleanse or all sorts of detoxes. The truth is, detoxing your body regularly with little things here and there is super important. It's really efficient. You don't have to wait once a year to do this like crazy detox cleanse. I'm also not a huge fan of detox pills because I don't think one pill could detox your whole body. Like, what's in that pill? What's going on? It seems really harsh. Why not just do things all the time so that you never have to have such buildup? It's like you don't just clean your house once a year. You don't just wash your car once a year. So we can detox our bodies continuously and just do little things here and there. I also think that it can be a little bit expensive to go to these retreats or buy these big juice cleanses. A lot of that can get a little bit pricey. So I wanted to give you guys some affordable, convenient things you can do at home that are also realistic. So let's just get right into it. The first thing I want to talk about is dry brushing. So I've got my brush right here. You may have heard of dry brushing before. If you haven't, this is what it looks like. There's all sorts of different brushes you can get. Some of them are handheld, some of them are on the stick like this, but this is what the bristles look like. And just like it says in the name, you're brushing your skin while it's dry. So this is not something you do in the shower. You don't want to use like oils or lotions. You want to make sure you're having dry skin. The purpose of dry brushing is kind of twofold. The first thing is you're getting rid of dead skin cells on your skin. But sometimes the dead skin cells can sit on the surface and they can get clogged up. So this is one way to just kind of get rid of it, almost like exfoliating your face. But most importantly, the biggest benefit of dry brushing is to help lymphatic drainage. So your lymphatic system is basically part of your immune system. It's made of lymph nodes, ducts, vessels, and the whole point is to get lymph flow going through your body. And this lymphatic flow is getting rid of toxins in your blood. Now, if you've ever gotten a lymphatic massage or heard of a lymphatic massage, like at a spa, it might not feel that great because really what you're trying to do is assist the lymphatic flow throughout your body and get rid of the toxins. So the whole point of it isn't a massage into your muscles, it's actually a detoxing massage. That's kind of what we're doing when it comes to dry brushing. We're assisting it. So you don't have to brush really, really hard. Like, this shouldn't hurt, it shouldn't be like a painful process. You just want to do like light brush strokes. And the whole point is to just kind of assist in that flow. The first thing you want to pay attention to is to brush towards your heart. So when you're doing your legs, your arms, you want to always brush towards the center of the body. So when it comes to your legs, just kind of brush up, and you want to go over the same part a few times. So light strokes. Kind of the same thing for your arms. You can see I'm kind of going over the same areas. You can do both arms. And when you're doing this, you want to do it right before you get in the shower. And then once you get into the shower, just do a normal rinse. So your skin's also going to feel really, really soft after. Once you get out and apply just like your regular moisturizer, you'll see that it actually feels really amazing too. And then when it comes to your stomach, you're going to go in a counterclockwise direction. And same thing, go over the same areas a few times. You can do this gently, but by going counterclockwise, you're kind of supporting lymphatic flow and you're improving digestion. So all of this is incredibly detoxing. It's really easy. You could probably buy this for under $10, $15 on Amazon or somewhere. I'll link it below this video to this one I use and a couple other brands I like. Make sure you do all of this right before you get in the shower. You're gonna do this, get right in the shower. Just, use your regular soap. When you get out and apply moisturizer, you'll also see that your skin feels so nice and soft. It's kind of a plus and a benefit from that. So overall, you're just gonna notice your skin has a nice glow and you're gonna help detox. Now, when you're improving this lymphatic flow, a lot of people have even said that lymphatic massage can improve the appearance of cellulite. So that's something to maybe think about before an event, to just kind of pay extra close attention to those common areas of cellulite that we all get. But overall, it's just a really good detoxing at-home method. So next I want to talk about chlorophyll water. So chlorophyll is something you've heard of, I'm sure, in, what is it, like 7th grade science? We learned about photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is basically what plants need for energy. So the same way they give plants energy, they're gonna give our cells energy. Chlorophyll is one of the most detoxing foods or ingredients you could add to a smoothie, you could add to water. really that exists. It's so easy, it's so effective and so good for you. Now when you think about things like wheatgrass or chlorella or spirulina, these are all kind of different forms of algae, chlorophyll, so it's all along the same lines. I really like using chlorophyll drops. These ones are by Sakara. Now it looks really green. Actually can't wait to show you, but it tastes like nothing. I like to do 5 full droppers. Now look, if you just drank the entire thing, I'm sure that it would taste like something. Please don't do that. But when you add 5 drops, which is what I would recommend, you don't taste a thing. It's also kind of a conversation starter. People will ask you why your water's green. It's a good conversation starter, but it's really simple. It's something that you can do like 1 to 2 times a day. This is actually a really smart idea if you consume a lot of fish. So adding chlorophyll to your water just 1 or 2 times a day can add so many different benefits. It speeds up wound healing, it detoxifies the blood, it detoxifies the liver, it can prevent different disease states, it can prevent certain types of cancer. There's so much that I can do for something so simple. You know, if you're eating a lot of fish, the mercury content can be a little high, so you can make sure that that's not building up in your bloodstream. You can make sure you don't have any heavy metal toxicity. So there's a lot of little things it can help with. And the last little at-home detox you can do is really simple, and it's just to eat organic, fresh fruit for breakfast. So this sounds like it's too good to be true, but the truth is fruit is the most naturally detoxing food on the planet. Just on its own, it's gonna give you that natural detox. And don't forget that when you're sleeping, let's say anywhere from the 6 to 8 hours that I assume everyone gets, your body is in a natural state of detox because you're fasting. So your digestive tract is kind of clearing out and making way for what's to come next. Your body is detoxing, which is why oftentimes you don't smell that great in the morning. If you ever notice like bad breath or you sweat, that's your body literally detoxing. So when you wake up in the morning and you've kind of gone through this natural detox, the first thing you put into your body is so important, which is why I always say to have organic fresh fruit first thing in the morning. It's very easily digested. It gets digested within like 20 minutes. It's naturally detoxing on its own. So it's just gonna kind of help extend that natural detox that we have throughout the night. So those are 3 things that you can do at home. You've got dry brushing, chlorophyll water, and fruit for breakfast. Super easy. I think everyone can just afford to add these into their daily regimen. Putting in this little bit of effort now is really gonna save you in the long run and just save you headache, health issues, and money on health costs later in life. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.